How to withdraw money from PayPal to bank account. So first, you just have to log into your PayPal account, and then what you want to do here is to simply locate this option that says Pay and Get Paid, and then click this Bank and Cards. So this under Pay and Get Paid, you will see that option. Now here you have to scroll down and you will see here options like banks, credit card, and debit card. So of course, we're going to click this link a bank so you can link your bank here. So of course, it needs bank name, bank code, account number. Okay, so your account name will be shown here automatically. And then click this link your bank. Now, if you want to link US Bank instead, tap this link US Bank and then kindly input the information that of course needed here. Okay, and then once done, click link your bank. Now, once you have your bank linked to your PayPal, then you can go back and then if you scroll down here, that bank account will appear right here. So what you want to do is simply go up and then enter the amount that you want to withdraw, tap or select that bank account and withdraw it. Transaction fee may not be same, so you will know that once you withdraw your money. You could also tap to set up auto transfers and then fill in some information and then there you can transfer your money to your bank account and then withdraw it to any bank or ATM machine. So that's how easy it is. You just have to log into your PayPal, enter the amount you want to withdraw, select the bank account to receive the money, and then you will see that PayPal transfers the money from your PayPal balance to your bank account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.